What's going on YouTube? In today's video we're back to working on the motor, so let's get right to it. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and y'all hit that bell for more notifications on all my videos. Just stay tuned and stay up to date on everything. So in yesterday's video we got the throttle body off, we got the wiring harness and ECU off, and I believe that was it in the coil packs, and we got the valve covers off as well. So if you didn't see yesterday, valve covers under here looks great. It looks way better than I could have even imagined. So let me grab a light, because everyone needs to see how great this looks. So boom. All my people that are wondering how it looks under the engine, that looks pretty promising. So today probably gonna try to get these heads off, or we're gonna get the intake manifold off. Look under here. Yeah, we'll go ahead. We'll start with the intake manifold and the fuel rails. We'll get those off. Yeah, we'll do that and then we'll go from there. So first thing I'm gonna do is get this intake manifold off, and I gotta figure out what I need. Oh, and one quick thing for y'all, if y'all wanna see something cool with this fuel neck right here, I mean the fuel neck, good God, that's how you know I'm tired. If y'all wanna see something cool with this oil neck thing, so you see I was missing on my valve covers. Pretty much what you can do is you can take this cap off. Let me do that real quick. Alright, so I got it off, and I can literally throw it right off in here. Boom. So that's something cool about the 5.3s. If you don't want that oil neck on there, you don't have to have it. You can literally just take the cap off and screw it right into the valve cover, and boom, and just like that you're good. So that's pretty cool to me. I'm probably gonna leave it like this because I don't need a big oil neck like I do on that truck. So that's how I'm gonna do that. So let's go ahead and get to work on getting these let's go ahead and get to work on getting this intake manifold off so y'all can see how it looks under there. Alright, so we got the injectors off. They don't look the worst. They don't look that bad. There is some gunk all around them, but that's just from the engine. The actual bottoms of them look pretty clean. I don't know if y'all can tell. So the gunk on them is from them coming out into this dirty block. You can see how they were pulled out. They were all that gunk around them. Let's see if I can see in there. Yeah, it's gunk all around them, but hopefully the inside of the motor doesn't look that bad. So I guess next I'm going to get this intake manifold off. So it's the same little, whatever socket I have on there, because it's the same one I had on there to get the valve covers off. Let me see so y'all will know. This is an 8mm that I have on my impact, and that literally gets the injector, you know, the whole injector assembly, whatever you want to call this thing, off. The fuel rails, there we go. It gets the fuel rails off, it gets the valve covers, and it'll get your intake manifold off too. So all of your small bolts are most likely going to be 8 millimeters. You might have some bigger ones, but majority of these are 8 millimeters. Just to help everybody out that's trying to do this themselves. I know y'all thinking, why haven't you taken the fan assembly off yet? I don't feel like doing that today. I want to see the inside of this motor, or at least dig down some more. So let's go ahead and get to that. So we got this. We got quite a few bolts. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so we got the intake manifold loose, and let's see if I can get this off with one hand. Get good grip. Up, and yeah, I might need to disconnect this clip. My knock sensors. Ah, this should be fun. Hold on, let me get this clip off. This is a two-hand job and I only have one. Okay, so we got the sensor off. It was a metal clip. You just take a flathead and push under here to get that off. And make sure nothing else important is connected. No. Alright, so now we should be able to lift straight off. And I'll go ahead and explain why I took that clip off and then just yank it. See if this thing got some weight. Huh. Is there something else over here? No. Alrighty. And there we are. Hey man, this is not that heavy at all. And we're leaking oil. We are leaking. Alright, so I managed to somehow, is that all? No? Oh yeah, that's definitely oil. All the way here. Do I have anything that can clean this? Alright, let me clean this up real quick. Well, I'm not sure that helped much, but it'll dry up. It'll dry up eventually. Oh well. We're back to work. So, yeah, that is not great. Let me get some light. Oh, so, my goodness. Look at the inside of this. Goodness, man. That is pretty dirty, but it cleans up as it gets to the valve, but goodness, this is gonna need some cleaning. But down off in there, I don't know if y'all can see. Let's see if I can zoom in. It doesn't look that bad. I don't know if y'all can see way down there. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad down off in there, actually. But there is a lot of sludge right here on the surface, and this definitely needs to be cleaned. So I guess the next thing I need to do is take these knock sensors out. I probably need to replace these there. These are actually important, so what these two knock sensors do is pretty much they're right next to most of the cylinders, and they're pretty much just big microphones. So if they detect that the engine is knocking, they retard the timing and prevent the engine from pretty much killing itself. So this is an important, these sensors are actually important, and I'm going to keep these because that's something that you'll need. This can literally prevent the motor from tearing itself apart in some cases. So I need to look up how to get these off because I honestly forgot, even though I looked it up. So I'm gonna do that real quick. We're gonna get these off and then I'll explain how I did it. Alright, so we got the little harness off. It's on the ground over there. And that gave me more problem than pretty much anything else. So let me grab my light, which I keep putting down in places. Oh, never mind. So let's pop this on. And now we know we got our things covered. So I believe these are 10s. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this cover up. These are either 10s or 12s. So I'll let you know right now. Alright, so it is a 10mm. So let's go ahead and get this little plate off. You can see this one plug is so covered in oil that it's just not even noticeable. Alright, so it is a 22, so I got my 1/2 inch. Or what I thought was my 1/2 inch. Back to digging. Alright. Alright, so we got these knock sensors off, and I can guarantee you that these would have thrown a code. They do not look good at all. I mean, look at that. I mean, one looks okay, but this one is just fried. It looks, it's bad, so definitely not throwing those back in. I'm glad I pulled them. But now, let's go ahead and see if we can get this off again. So not sure how I'm gonna get this off, but we're just gonna try some things. So bear with me. And hopefully my camera doesn't die. All kinds of dirt and stuff in here. Oh boy, all over my camera. Goodness. Can go in this little area that I need to organize. But man, now look at this. So we got all of this off, and you can see my camshaft down there. Definitely needs to be pulled. Oh my. Yeah, the cam is gonna have to come out. The cam is gonna have to come out for sure. Let's zoom in. Alright, so I know y'all can see that cam. It is not looking good on either of the sides. It looks like some scoring maybe. Or maybe it's fine. Maybe it's fine, but it's definitely got some wear on or on it. So yeah, I'm probably gonna have to go ahead and we're gonna have to pull that cam, but not today, because I still have to take that whole front assembly off. So I think this is gonna be a good stopping point. I know I'm not moving fast on breaking it down, but I'm off tomorrow, so I'll be back on tomorrow. We're gonna get the rest. I'm gonna get a lot of this off tomorrow. I'm gonna try to knock a good chunk of breaking this down off. So you know, I have a full day tomorrow. I'm off work, so I'm gonna get up here early in the morning and we're gonna get started on this. So that's gonna be it for this video. I know I didn't get too far again, but I just wanted to do something at least. And yeah, that's gonna be it. So for my guys out there that are building the LS, just remember, number one, you can take the neck off of the old tube thing and just twist it straight on. Number two, get those knock sensors off so you can take this little plate off. It'll help you. So that's gonna be it. So that's gonna be it for this video. I'm liking how quickly I'm breaking this down, even though I'm not rushing. Like how simple this is. Tomorrow we'll go ahead and
start by getting this whole front assembly off, because I don't know, I probably should have took this off first. That would have made a lot of sense to get this off first, but I don't know. I can do it in whatever order I want. There's no rush. So we'll get that off tomorrow, and along with the heads and manifolds, and we'll get the spark plugs out, all of that. So this has been fun. You know, I actually look forward to working on this because it's not such a pain to do anything with the motor out the car. It makes it a lot easier. It makes it a lot more simple. Doing this while it was inside of a car, it would be a nightmare, like working on that motor in the Infiniti. But I'm keeping the fuel rails, I'm keeping the intake, but I'm changing all the gaskets. So that's how we're gonna do that.
But that's gonna be it for this video though. So if y'all like the video, if y'all like the progress that I'm making on this LS motor, then go ahead and drop a like. I'm a newbie to this. It's my first time even fooling with the LS motor, because I haven't even dug into that one that's in my truck. It's the same exact motor, so I like how it's going so far. I hope y'all do too. But
we're gonna tackle this early in the morning.
But that's it for this video before my camera dies. So I hope y'all liked it. If you did, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell if you haven't already, and I will catch y'all on the next video.